Thank you very much, senior officers of the Education Ministry, leaders from different sectors of education, UGC chairperson, leaders from industry, leaders from technology world. Thank you very much for inviting me to this seminar, to this webinar. I'll speak on 3 points. First point is related to what Mr. Khare just said. When we are taking the gross enrollment ratio from 27% to 50% GER, the question that Mr. Khare raised, would a brick and mortar structure support this kind of scaling up? I echo his point. Definitely, brick and mortar structure will not be able to scale up this kind of gross enrollment ratio. So what's the solution? The solution is definitely, the singular solution today is rapid adoption of technology. बिना टेक्नोलॉजी के जो हमारा विजन है, प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी का विजन है, उस विजन को पूरा करना संभव नहीं है. तो टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट करना हमारे लिए न केवल एक आवश्यकता है, बल्कि एक ऐसी जरूरत है जिसको, जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है, उसको पूरा करने के लिए वो मस्ट है. The numbers speak it out well. 1.7 crore, which is 17 million high school students pass out every year. If that is the scale, then to cater to that scale, we definitely need to have very innovative technological models. I think the debate, which used to be that should a student go to a classroom or should online teaching be regularized or formalized, I think that debate is over after COVID. Now, online teaching has been very well accepted. It is there for years to come. The way books transformed few centuries ago, the teaching process, similarly, technology is going to transform. It is transforming, and it is going to further transform the teaching process in the coming years. So, my request to the participants in the technical sessions would be, please debate, please deliberate on the various aspects, various dimensions of how technology can be used as the single most important driver for increasing the gross enrollment ratio. The second point I would like to make here is India's scale. In the West, technology is primarily seen as a cost reduction method. In our case, the context is very different. हमारा context है, हम कैसे अंत्योदय की फिलॉसफी में विश्वास करने वाले लोग हैं, हम कैसे समाज के अंतिम छोर पे बैठे हुए व्यक्ति तक जो बेस्ट से बेस्ट पॉसिबल सुविधाएं हैं एजुकेशन में हो, किसी भी समाज के हर क्षेत्र की सुविधाएं हो, वो कैसे पहुंचाएं. अगर अंत्योदय की फिलॉसफी से काम हमको करना है, तो हमको निश्चित तौर पे टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट करके ही लास्ट तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा. अगर रैपिडली नहीं पहुंचे तो समाज का एक बहुत बड़ा वर्ग है जो पीछे छूट जाएगा, और समाज के इतने बड़े वर्ग को अगर हम पीछे छोड़ देते हैं, तो देन जो सामाजिक समरसता है, जो सोशल हार्मनी है, वो डिस्टर्ब होती है. सोशल हार्मनी डिस्टर्ब होने का मतलब है नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन, नेशनल हार्मनी, इन सब पे इसका प्रभाव पड़ता है. तो हमारे लिए टेक्नोलॉजी का स्केल, हमारे देश का जो स्केल है, हमारी सोसाइटी का जो स्केल है, उस स्केल को फोकस में रखते हुए टेक्नोलॉजी को अडॉप्ट हमें करना ही पड़ेगा. लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग आज की रियलिटी बन चुकी है. एक समय था जब कॉलेज में पढ़ लिए, उसके बाद में अपने जॉब में लग गए, जिंदगी भर अपना काम चल जाता था. The way things are changing, एक टाइम था जब किसी भी सिस्टम की लाइफ 20 साल के आसपास होती थी. धीरे धीरे वो 10 साल हुई. आप मान लीजिए रेलवे के इंजन्स की बात करें तो 25-30 साल तक एक मॉडल चलता था, फिर 15-20 साल. आज सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि हर दूसरे तीसरे साल में उसमें चेंजेस आते हैं. तो लाइफ लॉन्ग लर्निंग हैज बिकम अ रियलिटी. इट हैज बिकम नीड ऑफ द आवर. इट हैज बिकम समथिंग विच वी कैन नॉट एस्केप फ्रॉम. सो हाउ विल वी डू दैट? अगर हमको करोड़ों लोगों को, जो भारत के स्केल की बात है, सेकेंड पॉइंट स्केल की बात है, तो करोड़ों लोगों को अगर हमें एजुकेशन पहुंचानी है, नए स्किल्स देने हैं, नई ट्रेनिंग्स देनी है, तो क्या हम करोड़ों लोगों को वर्कफोर्स से निकाल के कॉलेज में रख पाएंगे? शायद नहीं. So in that case, what is the solution before us? We have to bring, instead of taking the people out of the workforce into a university or a college setting, we'll have to bring the college into the life of the individuals. That's very much possible only with technology. So for the gross enrollment ratio that we need to achieve, and for the scale that we have in India and the rapidity of change in our lives today, technology, education technology is going to be the prime driver. The third point which I want to make is, again, in the context of India. In the Western context, internet, the presence of high-speed mobile networks, all those things were reality many years ago. From 2014 onwards, when Prime Minister Modi ji took charge of leading this country, things started changing in India also. What earlier the governments used to think that, okay, it's good to have good technology, good network, good internet access in urban areas or in some prominent areas. From that thought process, today India has evolved to a level where Prime Minister Modi ji wants, and he's driving and he's planning and he's making things happen, that the last person in the remotest village of any part of the country, whether it is in the east or west or north or south or northeast, anywhere, technology must reach. So that's the platform which will be available to all of us, to our next generations. And that platform will enable lots of innovations which are being thought of, lots of things that all of you leaders in the world of education are thinking about, the leaders in the world of industry and technology you are thinking about. That platform will give all of us the basic infrastructure which is needed for rolling out technology. I once again thank all the organizers of this webinar. I wish you very good luck, and hopefully this deliberation will bring out some real actionable points. I'll be happy if the secretaries send me a small brief on what was the outcome. Thank you very much.